Welcome back to MadMods PC Modding. It's your boy, Mikey, and we're back with another edition of Small Talk at the Modding Table. Today, we're gonna talk about a minor detail that might ruin your themed build. So, you know how it is when you're building a PC with specific colors in mind, then you get rainbow colored wires from the front audio or USB headers of your case? Well, let's talk about how you can hide them. This is a shrinkable tube with a width of 18.5 millimeters. You can cut it according to length that is required, then slip it in, and for it to shrink, you need to use a lighter. Just be mindful of the heat that you apply, as you don't want to melt the wires and plastic header underneath. There, it looks so much better. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe for more.